Today we're going to show you how to permanently repair a pipe intrusion into a foundation wall, whether it be a home or an office building. And typically there's sewer lines, water lines, conduit lines that are packed with a hydraulic cement, which is a rigid product and tends to crack over time and fail. We'll show you how to do it with a flexible product that's permanent. And here we're showing just drill a 1/4 inch hole with an SDS bit. Doesn't have to be 1/4 inch, but 1/4 inch works well. So you drill through 2 or 3 inches of patch that's there. Next we'll show you the process. The process involves mixing the A and B adhesive, A part, B part adhesive together. You get a uniform color. You got about 20 or 30 seconds to mix it and 2 to 3 minutes to work with it. At first you want to apply a small amount to the base of the surface port and then attach it to the wall. And then we're going to put adhesive around that base of that surface port, about a 1/4 inch of adhesive. You want to be liberal with the adhesive. Put plenty of it around the base of the port so we don't have a blowout later. And then we're going to wait about 20 or 30 minutes and then chase the optional water into the void and then certainly the flexible urethane that's going to go in there. Now we'll show you the process. First we mix it onto the base of the port and then we attach the port to the wall, and you'll notice that that port hangs on the wall. The adhesive is very strong, so that right away you're able to put it on the wall. Now we put a 1/4 inch of material around the base of the port, making sure that the port is over the hole so that we can drive the material into the void behind it. You can use a finger to hold the port as you're spreading the material around. And again, there's plenty of material in the kit, so be liberal with it. There's a fingernail test. If you can't dent the material with a fingernail after it's set up, then it's ready to be injected. Then we take the flexible foam cartridge, cut the top off it, and attach the nozzle. Put it into your gun, and at this point you could feed water into that port. A lot of times you can use a straw and feed a little bit of water in there. It's not critical. Many times the humidity in the wall will simply kick the flexible foam off. But just feed the whole tube in there, and we'll give you a double tube so you can feed both tubes if you'd like. One tube should be adequate, but if you're not sure, put 2 tubes in there. We've also provided 4 ports, so you can drill that patch north, south, east, and west if you'd like. And again, be liberal with the foam. Make sure you put plenty in there. It's relatively inexpensive versus coming back to do this again. And again, this foam will be flexible so that any vibration in that pipe, any change in humidity in the wall or movement, it will accommodate it. And to review, the rigid foam offers non-shrinkage. It sets up in minutes for a quick repair, making it cost effective, and you never have to come back.